here and welcome back to my channel. And as you see here, you see me bare face, no makeup, and you guys might thinking, oh, what are we gonna do now? Maybe we are gonna do a get ready with me, or we're gonna do a makeup, but no, we're not gonna do that. See what I have here? This is what we are gonna do in this video, and I guess you guys can guess what we are gonna do. And so in this video I got some requests from you guys that want to know how I cut my V-bang and how I style my V-bang. As you guys can see here, my V-bang, I haven't cut it like in about 2 weeks, and so I'm just gonna like show a little bit how I style it and how I make it look like perfectly. So, and another thing, yeah, I just washed my hair. So my hair, I washed it yesterday. So I will say, if you're gonna cut your bangs, and I will say that with any bangs, not only V-bangs, you should do it when your hair is completely dry. Because otherwise it's gonna be hard to get it the right shape when it's dry, because when the hair is wet, it's gonna be totally different when it's dry. You're gonna think, oh, it looks perfect now when it's wet, but then when the hair is dry, it's gonna look totally the opposite. So I will say, always cut it when it's dry, and also try to cut it when your hair is like freshly washed too. I will say that's the best. So this is how it looks now. It's not really perfect, so I'm just gonna go a little bit. So what are you gonna need? You're gonna need a good scissor. I would say a good scissor is the most important to get it straight, to get it perfect. A good scissor. And you're also gonna need a comb like this also. So I'm gonna start with combing my bangs, and as you can see, it's still kind of straight even if I didn't cut it for 2 weeks. So what I'm gonna do, I usually always start from the edge here, and I go all the way down to the V edge, and then I usually go up here. So I always like start here. So now I see I have some small hair here, so I'm gonna start cutting here, because I always get like small hair, because I'm very picky here, because just with that it's gonna look so much better. And another thing, I'm also doing this, I prefer to do it when I'm not wearing any makeup, because you will get like small hair all over your face, and it's not comfortable when you're wearing makeup, because you just want to scratch. So that's why I always doing it when I'm not wearing any makeup at all. So as you can see, this one is kind of perfect already. So I'm just going up here. And for some reason my hair is the black side tends to grow a little. I don't know why. Maybe because this side is bleached, or maybe it's split easily. So I usually have to cut more on the black side, and like maybe that's because of that, or I don't know. It seems like my hair growing faster on this side. So we are gonna cut here. So I go all the way down to the green all the way here. And I also guess because my hair is split dyed, which means that it's easier to find the edge here, because I know I can go to the black and then the green start here, and then I just go up. So I already have like the perfect V here already, but I guess if you don't have that before I dyed my hair split, I will say the easiest way, if you don't have a split dye because you cannot see where the edge is supposed to be here, that the edge is supposed to end. So I will say just try to put it and measure it just so you get the edge right in between your eyes. If you don't have, and I also will say it's also easier if you have eyebrows. You can also put it so you can measure that where your eyebrows end, so you have the edge just in between your eyebrows. That's a good measurement to get the V end. So as you see, I just cut a little bit. I just don't go too much, because sometimes I want it longer, sometimes I want it shorter. So as you see, I'm cutting more on the black side just because, I don't know, it seems like that one grows so much faster than the green side. We have here. So now I want to see. Now I have trimmed it. Trim it a little bit, so I have the edge go down here, and now I need to like measure to see that is the bang start like around the same here, and I might need to cut a little bit more here because I don't think it's aligned with the green side here. I need to cut here. It's always like that. This side seems to grow faster for some reason. So let's see. Comb it, and so it's perfect. As you can see here, cut a little bit. Always get a lot of hair in your face, especially that small hair. It can be kind of annoying. So there. Now I think it's going a line, something like that. So there. So now we have a perfect V-bang here. And we're gonna put some hairspray on it, just to make it stay. So I'm just gonna put some hairspray. Like that. And now you have a perfect V-bang. So yeah, like that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you like this video, just drop a comment in the comment section and give it a thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel. And when you subscribe to my channel, you should definitely hit the bell button so you get notification every time I'm posting a new video. So guys, see you guys in the next video. Bye!